Alona. As part of the 2019 NAFOW Eisteddfod, the Daniel Protheroe hymn competition required the writing of a brand new hymn for Cymanfa Ganu singing, taking the metre of Daniel Protheroe's own hymn, Milwaukee. You know it, number 6 in the hymnal. The winner was Kim Lloyd Jones from Wales with the hymn tune Tir Iarll. Many of you, I'm sure, will remember hearing the hymn during our afternoon Cymanfa Ganu at Emmanuel Presbyterian Church with Steve Jensen at the organ and the choristers of Côr Cymry Gogledd America, the North American Welsh choir, introducing the tune to you, using the words in the hymnal. Since then, the Welsh poet Mererid Hopwood accepted the invitation to write brand new words for this tune. Words both in Welsh and in English. Gweld y Byd fel dylai fod, see the world as it should be. And we should have been singing the hymn together in Philadelphia this year. But thanks to this virtual platform, we can still share in this first performance together. During the lockdown months, David Enlow recorded the organ track for Tir Iarll in his Manhattan church. And then choristers of Côr Cymry Gogledd America, the North American Welsh choir, in homes from Washington State to Washington, D.C., in Ottawa, Canada, and many places in between, set about recording their parts. Soprano, alto, tenor and bass, you know how it goes, and learning the new words from Mererid Hopwood. Then we blended them all together along with a trumpet flourish, and here we are today, presenting Tir Iarll, see the world as it should be, Gweld y Byd fel dylai fod. Remember that the challenge was for a Cymanfa Ganu hymn, so I hope you'll sing along with us and enjoy it. Pick your part, change your part, move around, gather around, huddle up together. But before we get going, let me introduce the Welsh words to you as if we were together in the Gymanfa setting. Rhag dwrdio prysur bys y cloc, rhag llosg y ganwyll wir, gad I ni ddal yr eiliad faith sy'n llyg pelydrai'r sêr. Ac yn yr eiliad ddistaw hon, gad I ni weld y byd fel dylai fod, nid fel y mae yn gartref I ni gyd. Un cartref diddos, lle gall pawb ganu ei gan ei hun, a datrys pob ryw helbil bach a mawr drwy fiwn gytun. Ac wedi gweld ein byd yn nef ymhen yr eiliad faith, gad I ni wybod ym mha le mae dechrau ar y daith. I'm thrilled to present this hymn to you today. Join now with the choristers of Côr Cymry Gogledd America, the North American Welsh choir, David Enlow, Bradley Mattson, and myself. Be safe, be well, byddwch saff ac iach.